Hi there, Mark here again. Got Alfie on the camera.
Hello.
Today, welcome to my unboxing of my birthday present from my wife. It is another TT02, so it's my second TT02 road car. As you can see, it's the Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Drift Spec. So let's get the lid off and have a look at what's inside. Okay then, so there's a big bag of goodies. We'll have a look at that in a second. There's your Nissan Skyline body. It's another one from Time Tunnel Models. Nice and quick delivery. Let's think, Alfie, for this one, should we just get everything out and take it away out the bags?
Yeah.
So we haven't got to do that on camera. So there you go, there's basically all your stuff. And
a little bit of a bumper, I think.
There is a bumper there, yeah, urethane bumper. We'll just get it out the packaging and go through all the parts. So there we go then. These are all the parts you get. You can see it's quite a lot there, aren't there, Alf?
Yeah.
When you look at it, I think a lot of them are spares because you've got like double of each of the parts trees. But yeah, so there might be a bit left over. But basically, there's your bathtub chassis, which is your standard TT02 fare. I think it's even on the buggies, that one. Decent bathtub, really. We've got these parts here. Let's have a look. So you've got I think these motor covers and receiver covers. That's the motor mounts, the battery strap, the battery holder. And we've got the softer plastics here. That's the prop shaft, the drive cups and the wheel shafts. Little dog bones, little plastic dog bones. I've not had any trouble with the plastic ones on my other cars, so I should be leaving those. That's that. Okay, we've got more plastic parts, body mounts. I think the A-arms are on there, front and back. It comes with the original parts here, which are for the pogo stick springs. I'm not going to call them shock absorbers because they're not shocks, but I'll show you in a minute. There's a little bonus with this kit. Same tree there. We've got, I think these are the shock towers. We've got the wheel hex adapters, which have got these brake disc effect. So I think you need to paint those silver to make them look like a proper brake disc, wouldn't you? But
yeah, that look cool, wouldn't
yeah.
it?
So when it's through the wheels, here's one of the wheels. Very nice chrome wheels you get. So you can see the actual disc through. I know it's black there, but we should be painting those. Very nice. And again, you get two sets of those. And onto the good stuff. We get with this kit the CVA mini shocks, which thank goodness are oil-filled oil dampers. You can see in parts bag B there we've got the oil, we've got the shock seals and so on, and all the shafts and springs. Apparently these soft springs with this kit for the drift. We'll see how that goes. What else we got here? We've got parts bag C, which is just a few screws, clips, cable ties. We've got parts bag A. We've got some AW grease in there, anti-wear grease, good stuff. Got your pinion, motor plate, and some standard Tamiya grease, and a wrench there for your pinion. What's this here? So that looks like the servo saver. As I say, you've got a nice set of sort of soft satin chrome wheels. I do like those. And you get these, what are they called, Alf? DriftSpec.
There we go.
Resin wheels for drifting, obviously. I've just squeezed this one onto a wheel there so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, it's a resin, it's not a rubber at all, so that should get us going sideways quite easily. Something I've never done, so yeah, that's why I've got the drift version. Thought it'd be nice. Plus, I've never been able to get myself to buy a standard TT02 kit because, you know, they come with those pogo stick springs and the standard motor. Worst of all, they've got bushings instead of bearings. This kit, lo and behold, Alf, comes with the bearing supplied, so that is a massive bonus.
So you don't get many kits that come with that.
Not many
standard,
Tamiyas,
yeah.
no. They should do it, I think, as standard. So that's a bonus over the standard kit. Obviously, the shocks, oil filled, is a bonus. The other nice little touch is we get a lovely sport tuned
No, he's much faster
Tamiya
than
motor.
standard as well.
It will
isn't
spin quite a bit faster. I think it probably gives us about, on standard gearing, maybe 4 miles per hour more, maybe 5. And as a bonus, on top of that, we get a lovely shiny blue heatsink to go onto that. So again, once you're running for a while and the motor starts to get warm, it'll lose power. So that should also enhance the performance of the kit. There's a few other bits I've missed out here. What we've got: body clips, we've got the diff cases and the diff gears. So obviously it's 4-wheel drive, so we've got front and rear diffs, and we've got the clips here and some other components for the oil-filled shocks. Okay, so right, nearly there then. The all-important wibbly wobbly for the antenna. Oh Alf, this is going to be a much easier sticker job. Look at that, just a few stickers on this.
Yeah, you customise it however you want, basically.
Yeah, I think I might put a few more on from, I've got some spares, but yeah, much easier than the rally cars I've been doing recently. You get a nice set of window masks there for spraying off. We've got the manual for doing the body, because the actual manual for the kit is the generic Drift Spec Type D chassis kit, so you build the kit differently depending on to the body you've got. I think this is the standard wheelbase, yeah, 257. So if we have a quick look in the manual, you can build this kit to standard or short, so we'll be doing the standard, and you can have different widths as well for the track of the car. So standard Tamiya manual, all lovely, nicely explained and laid out, so we shall be following that one along. So just a quick look at the body. I do like this Skyline. I think the box art is silver, but I've never been keen on silver cars, have you, Alf?
No.
So what we've gone for is a nice metallic red PS15. So there you go, guys. That's your basic Drift Spec TT02. As you can see there, like I say, I recommend going for this one over the standard kit. I think it was about 20 quid more from Time Tunnel than the standard kit. And as I say, you get a sport tune motor, you get the heatsink, you get the metal bearings, and importantly you get the oil-filled shocks. So hope you've enjoyed watching this short little video. It's been fun to do. Hopefully you'll join me on the build, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
See ya.